Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar. We have Tom Walker here with a very, very addictive playing song here called Head Underwater. So it's this 4 chords here, and I really like the rhythm in the song, and very easy chords as well. If you use a capo on the 2nd fret, so play a capo on the 2nd, and yeah, we will have an easy, good life. So let's take a look at these 4 chords. So we'll start here with the A minor, and that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have G next, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have D minor, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. And we have C finally, and that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so A minor, G, D minor, and C. We have this string pattern that covers 2 chords, so we'll have to split this one. So we're going to look at the transition here from A minor to G. That's the first 2 chords. And perhaps I didn't mention, but the chord progression will be the same through the entire song. A minor, G, D minor, and C. In the same way we went through the chords. So, like I said, first 2 chords, A minor to G. You're going to play part 1 for A minor like this. Okay? So that is down, down, up, up, up. Down, down, up, up, up. Okay, that's the first part. And then you shift to G and play part 2. And that will be up, down, 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 up. Up, down, 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 up. So if you combine these 2 parts, it will be down, down, up, 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 down, 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 up. So A minor, up, 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 down, 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 up on G. And then you take the same principle here and apply that on the next 2 chords. So that will be D minor to C. So D minor, you play that in the same way as A minor, down, down, up, up, up. And then you go to C and play that in the same way as the G, up, down, 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 up. So slowly, 1 round will be like this. And you just play that through the entire song. Standard tempo, something like this. Alright, so very addictive, like I said, makes you wanna play around the strumming and get the feeling for it. Anyway, it's up to you, but this is a strumming pattern that really works and will work fine for the song here, Head Underwater. So give it a try, hope you enjoyed it, and feel free to support me here on Going Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.